got my first order of the day instantly. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $15 going less than 3 miles, 7 items. Got my next order lined up right after this. It is for muchas gracias, $9 going just under 3 miles. Here you are.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Not much of a wait there. I like it. Next order up, we've got a Starbucks. $9 and some change going just under 3 miles.
That's okay. Everything's fine.
Thank you. You too. So either this person has a lot of roommates or they just pick a random name whenever they order. Because I've delivered there a bunch of times and I swear it's a different name every time. Next order up, I believe it's a stack going to the same person. $14 going just under 7 miles. First stop is going to be Tonales Donuts. Not sure what the second one is yet. How's it going? For Cora?
Yeah, this is the order right here. I've been a little slow, so I bundled you up on little treats and stuff that.
I'll take it. Appreciate it.
It's a little bundle, but I need it before it melts in the car.
Oh, gotcha. Thank you so much. Have a good one. You too. Ooh, getting out of here is gonna be a pain in the... All right, crossing the street wasn't too bad. And it looks like my next pickup is gonna be Sherry's. Should be ready by the time I get there. I'm kind of far away. Oh, and let's check out the haul. Oh my goodness. I ate some of it. I'm definitely gonna give away the rest if I can before it melts. It's still pretty early and I don't really have much of an appetite in the morning. Hopefully I can find someone to give it to. Well, I wasn't recording, but I ended up giving them away at the next light, which was like 20 seconds later. It all happened so fast and I didn't want to hold up traffic, so whatever. Of course it's upstairs. Always upstairs. Just got my next order. This is for a different Starbucks. $11 going just under 6 miles. All right, which multi-million-dollar home is this one going to? It looks like I just got my next order. This one is for Chick-fil-A, $9.75 going 4 miles. Considering I'm right next to it, I highly doubt that it's gonna be ready, but let's go inside at least. Just drop it in there. Got this order as soon as I got to the light for it, so I just took it. This is Taco Bell, $7.25 going 3 miles.
I went. There you go.
Thank you. Ready on time. I like it. Actually, I think that means this one has been sitting there for a while, so Probably no hidden tip, but still worth it. Next orders just came in. Looks like a stack going to the same person. IHOP and Black Rock Coffee. $10.75 going 6 miles. This one isn't great because I know there's gonna be a wait on both ends. I guess it's better than just sitting here, so let's get to it. Never mind on that. Just got a Chick-fil-A order, $10 and some change going 3.5 miles. Let's do that one instead.
Sorry about the wait on that.
I don't know how long I've been sitting here. I finally got an order worth taking. This one is for Chick-fil-A, $7.75 going 4 miles. Next up, got an order for Golden China. This is $9 going 5.5 miles.
Alright, there we go.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Next order up is for Red Robin, $9 going 3.5 miles. Pretty sure this one is not gonna be ready, but let's head over just in case. Thank you. The wait is usually longer here, so not too bad. Hello. Sure. Next order up is a stack for Taco Bell. I believe it's going to 2 different people, but it is $15.50 going like 5.5 miles. So it should be a good order if everything is ready for me. All right, let's see what we got ourselves into.
Give me 2 more of the drinks.
Okay. Was there only one drink for the other one?
I think it's 1 and 1.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna call it here. I am starving. Current time is 12:22. Current total is 122. And I have 1 Uber tip yet to come in, so around 125-ish for the day. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.